So Chris, thank you so much. If you're sitting at home, we're going to wrap up the 8 o'clock hour, but we are here all day highlighting some awesome nonprofits in York County. One of them is Hospice and Community Care. Dee, how are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing great.
So you have participated for 5 years in Give Local York. Chris, can we hear Dee?
We can.
Okay, perfect, great. Can you talk a little bit about your organization, and then we'll learn about how Give Local York is important to it?
Absolutely. So at Hospice and Community Care, it's all about quality of life. So we work with the patient and their family on what their wishes are and help them to have the best quality of life that they can for the time that they have left.
Yeah.
We offer a continuum of care, so we encourage families to call us when they're struggling with a serious illness. Our team of doctors and nurses and social workers and chaplains can come in early and work with them and help them with painful symptoms, helping them to navigate the somewhat complicated healthcare system. And we also offer hospice care, but then we have a really comprehensive bereavement support program that's available to anyone in the community free of charge. So we have support groups for loss of child, loss of spouse. We offer a team approach, so we personalize the care for every family. And while we've been in Lancaster for 43 years, we've been here in York for 11. Our office is over on St. Charles Way, and we serve about 105 patients a day here in York. Last year we served over 1,100. And so we're incredibly grateful for the community support that helps us provide these services to families.
So thousands and thousands of families in York and Lancaster counties that you have impacted. Can you talk a little bit about how important Give Local York is, as not just from the fundraising aspect, but for conversations like this and being able to connect with people in the York community?
Absolutely. You know, on one hand, people don't want to think about hospice care. They don't want to think about illness. But on the other hand, we want people to know that we're a resource and we're here to help them. We are a nonprofit. We're the largest hospice provider in Pennsylvania. And so our services are covered by Medicare and private insurance. And if you don't have that resource, we'll work with every family. Bereavement support is free. And so we have over 400 staff, and we really rely on the generous support of the York community to do our work.
And then 3 individual programs we wanted to highlight: the Sunflower Pediatric Program, the We Honor Veterans Program, and the Residential Care Program. Can you talk a little bit about the probably in that order, the Sunflower Pediatric Care Program and then the Veterans Program?
Yes, so our Sunflower Pediatric Program, we've cared for children for a very long time, but we now have a dedicated team of trained pediatric specialists that will kind of wrap their arms around that entire family. We know that we want to keep our loved ones at home, particularly our kids, so they can be with their family. And so we work with not only the family, but then their specialists that are either at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia or Hershey Medical Center, so that the child can stay at home and our team can provide that extra layer of support for the family so that they can care for their child. A lot of times the kids are with us for years, and oftentimes they're seeking treatment.
Yeah.
But we are helping support that family. The We Honor Veterans Program, about 20% of the patients that we care for are veterans. And so we have a team of volunteers that are also veterans, and they connect with the patient, talk about their service, but then also honor their service, and they do a pinning ceremony, which the family is involved with, and it's a very sweet and special time for the family to come together and honor the service that their loved one has given to this country.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Thanks for being here. Thanks for participating in Give Local York. If people want to find out more about hospice and community care, your website is?
Hospicecommunity.org.
Perfect. And then you're also on Facebook. People can follow you along there. If you go to givelocalyork.org, just search for hospice, and you'll find hospice and community care. Dee, thank you so much. Good luck today.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right.